This video is on the Database Search app by SuperCar Sage. The Database Search app displays all of the vehicles in the SE Sage database which match a vehicle spec. What you are about to view is how to use the Database Search app. After logging in, migrate to the app. Select the mark and note the dynamic count in the blue bar. The count is the number of vehicles matching the spec currently in the database at each step of the process. Select Next and move through the options to drill down to the desired spec. With the Database Search app, you can drill down to generate results to specific years, colors, and more. For Porsche VINs only, options can be selected for a further drill down. When you reach the last step, select Get Matches to get a list of the vehicles in the database meeting the search spec. Enter your email address so that we can generate hot links to vehicle pages which are customized to your membership view level for each vehicle return. Click Submit. The number of vehicles returned varies by membership level. The maximum returned is 200. We recommend narrowing the search spec to generate less than 200 results as displayed in the blue count bar. Click on a Details link to open the vehicle page for any vehicle returned. View the support video on the Vehicle Page app to learn about all of the proprietary information which can be pulled for any vehicle in the SE Sage database.